Welcome back bafethu nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona i-channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel bafethu. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment on the section down below because that's what we are looking for. Kakhulu ama comment because it's a form of engagement ekuyiyona esiyidingayo kakhulukazi ke kuyona yonke video esuke siyiposta. That's what we need bafethu ke i-opinion yomunye umuntu ukuthi omunye umuntu kwi-situation esuke noma kwi-case esuke sikhuluma ngayo yena ucabanga kanjani yabo, and ke ukucabanga kwakho kungaba mhlambe i-solution for omunye umuntu kuyona comment section. You may never know. So bafethu, we are here nge-incident yenzeka lapha ke Prince Mshiyeni. This hospital is located eThekwini. Lapha ke Prince Mshiyeni, we know Prince Mshiyeni abangakhona lapha, especially kakhulukazi ke eKZN nje eindaweni ke emaphakathi ke ngizothi ezinye ezingaphandle kancane, especially from go South Coast to Mawunyuka uthi uyangakhona ke kuThekwini. We know indaba yaseMshiyeni. So recently there is this incident eyenzakalile lapha ke kutholakala isiguli sesenza ke into ke eyisimanga ethusayo kakhulukazi ke nje kubantu, especially ke abasebenzi ngizosho kanjalo, abahlali bakhona ke lapha yana ke eThekwini ke namaphethelo. So even ngisho nje neSouth Africa iyonkana because there are so many patients from different places mhlawumbe amanye asuka kwenye ama province, we don't know lapha eyolashwa khona ke ePrince Mshiyeni. So yeah, this hospital is located in Durban. The KwaZulu-Natal Department of Health we confirm there was a tragic incident that occurred at Prince Mshiyeni Memorial Hospital in Umlazi on the evening of umhlaka 18 February 2025, resulting in the death of a 39-year-old patient. So lokho kusho ukuthini ke bafethu ke lo muntu ke udlula kanjani emhlabeni ke ndike gcina sifika kanjani lapho kahle kahle ke yini le enkulu kangaka esigcina yenzeka eseyenza nokuthi Prince Mshiyeni ke i-trend kangaka yabo, because abantu baya empehlela badlule emhlabeni because isikhathi sabo sisuke sesifikile. But then ke why benga trained bona? Okay, the reason why ke gcina kufike kuthenini ke si-trendele esibhedlela ngokudlula ke kwe-patient emhlabeni. I-patient ke kuthiwa lapha ke kahle kahle ke ube admitiwe lo mlisa yabo for the condition which cannot be disclosed at this stage or at this moment, because ukudisclose ke information yomunye umuntu ke noma isifo somunye umuntu ke leyo information leyo ingagaxelisa ke abantu ke abasebenza khona ngaphakathi, even uDepartment of Health uwonkana, because this is posted by Department of Health. Okay, so moving forward nje sizobheka kakhulukazi lapha ke isimo esithe lesiguli ke sabeka Department of Health and also isibhedlela ke engcupheni yokuthi isibhedlela sigcine ke sifika ekuthenini siphele nya sibeke umlotha. Okay, yeah, lesibosho kuthiwa ke besiye sa admitwa lapha ke ngomhla ka-14 ngosuku lweyithandana, and this person was placed in an isolation due to a medical condition akade ke enayo. So it is alleged that the patient uye walonza ke walayitha ke ugwayi lapha ke while esebenzisa ke lapha ke ilighter lapha ke in close approximately noma in close proximity to an oxygen mask that he was wearing, which was connected to the oxygen main line yabo, that led to a fire which was contained in his single bed. Lapha ke the incident took place at approximately about 7 o'clock or 7 p.m. one time during a visit hours. So kahle kahle bafethu kusho ukuthi khona umphathele ugwayi wathi uyazama ukulayitha because lo muntu lo uzitshela ke ukuthi ke akabonwa umuntu okokuqala because he is in isolation yabo due to i-condition mhlambe ke yesigulo noma ke ngizosho ukuthi yesifo esimphethe. So njengoba ke eselayitha ugwayi nje kanti akazi ukuthi ke ngenxa yokungabi nalo ulwazi, I think umuntu futhi ke esingamblame kakhulu la kahle kahle bafethu yilo okade ezomvakashela. If ever kube nomuntu ke ozomvakashela wamphathela ke into ethile efana nani nogwayi, but then ke akukaze kuphume lokho ukuthi ke there was someone okade ke ezomvakashela, but then the only thing nje lapha mina nginotisayo ukuthi ke isiguli sibe budedengu okokuqala lokho yabo, before nje sidlulele nje into eningi, isiguli sibe budedengu. Number 2, the hospital nayo futhi kahle kahle nje ngingasho ngithi ke ibe nobudedengu, but then ke why ngithi ke i-hospital ibe nobudedengu, it's because umuntu maye kwi-isolation bafethu if nimazi because lo muntu uzafike lapha ubuziwe futhi wacheckwa i-condition yakhe zonke lezi zinto lezi yabo, they know ukuthi ke he might be having izinto ke ezama hazard kuyona ke i-isolation. So regularly umuntu nje uloke checkwa even izinto ke futhi ke ezikwi-surrounding yakhe, even isikhwama sakhe yabo, because ukwi-isolation you might use izinto ke ezizogcina ke zibeka ke impilo yakho ngempela engcupheni, because nje ubulapho nje kuqaphelwe ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ke ube umuntu oba ke in good health due to i-condition osuke ukuyona. Therefore amehlo kumele ahlale ke ethe lapha yakuwena isikhashanyana uyacheckwa, isikhashanyana uyacheckwa. So that means bakwethu bekumele lo muntu loyo ke akwazi ukuthi ke aloke eqashiwe ngalendlela aqashwe ngayo. So ubudedengu ke singakubeka kanjalo ke kusona ke isibedlela ke yabo, but then ke ngingeke ngathi ke isona ke kuphela isibedlela, naye umnikazi wodaba ube nobudedengu uma ke elayitha, because amagesi phela nawo amagesi la umdala and futhi unomqondo ke usebenzayo unawo amagesi la, kumele ukwazi ukuthi ke ucabange lokuthi ke njengoba kunamagesi you might cause into ke a problem ngokuthi ke igcine ke kusha khona lapho ke kuyiward olele kuyona. So kuthiwa lapha ke another patient in the neighboring single ward alerted at the nursing staff kusho uzwile ukuthi engeke khona ke ngathi sekuyintuthu noma ngathi sekuyasha la eduzane, wase ke etshela ke onesi ukuthi hayibo angathi ke sekuyasha. Then ke onesi base ke baphuthuma ba responda ke nje ngezinsiza ze emergency yabo. Upon arrival, the ward was filled with smoke and the staff quickly retrieved fire extinguishers to contain the blaze. So kahle kahle bafethu ke kube yiloko nje. Then ke uma siqhubeka nalo lolu daba ukuthiwa ke umatron obe on duty was also notified and assisted lapha ke njengoba ke kuchaziwe ukuthi ke matron was notified in managing the situation. So despite the swift response, the patient who is alleged to have caused the fire sustained severe burns and tragically succumbed to his injuries. Ngamanye amazwi futhi njengoba ke kuthiwa angithi ubebhema lo muntu njengoba kade ke enza lento akade yenza. So obviously oxygen ilentuzana amapayipi ile imask njoba ke ila ebusweni bakhe kube lula ukuthi ke umlilo nawo ugcina ke ufike ekuthenini ke umshisi njengoba ubona nombhede futhi lapha if ilangabi lithi bu lapha uthola ukuthi lo muntu akanawo ngisho namandla bekusamele eqale regain indaba yokuthi ke uthola energy nani, but then makufika kuleso sigaba sokuthi ngempela akasenamandla kusho khona ukuthi ke kungenzeka noma yini njengoba ke egcina ke eseshona ngenxa yokuthi ke inhlungu nokusha akade ekushile ikona ke ugcina kumledela ekuthenini ke adlule ke emhlabeni. So even ngisho intuthu imkhisha yonke leyo nto leyo uyabona ukuthi ke ingaba imbangela yokugcina ke edlula ke emhlabeni. Kuthiwa ke laphana ke however, as a precautionary, okay, before nje sifike lapho laphana kuthiwa awekho ama-patients or staff members that were injured in the incident yabo. However, as a precautionary measure, all patients closer to the affected isolation ward were clinically examined for a potential smoke inhalation. Okay, so ama-patients ke abekuma-wards laphana ke u-6 no-5 were relocated ukuthi ke ba-checkwe ke isimo sabo sempilo ukuthi iskanjani, while those in isolation were provided with mask and isolation as necessary to ensure safety yabo. So MEC uyawaphawula kulolu daba wakhona la KwaZulu-Natal okunoma kukusimelane washo khona ukuthi cha naye uyazwelana ke nokudlula ke emhlabeni komunye ke wabantu akade ke besifike esibhedlela ke abantu beyofuna ke usizo ngakwezempilo. So wasithi ke condolences to the family of the deceased yabo, nokuthi ke basesikhathini esinzima kakhulu ukuthi ke ningahambisa umuntu wenu nitshela ukuthi uzobuya ephile right, kanti uzovele afike abulawe ke okade ke ningakulindele. So she also urged laphana ke ukuthi ke imoya namaphaphu awehle isikakhulukazi ke emndenini laphana ke nabantu ke nje abahlobene nayo leyansizwa. Okay, at Prince Mshiyeni Memorial Hospital nokuthi ke abantu bangadinelwa kakhulu ke isibhedlela ya nabakhona ke laphana ke nje abanezihlobo zabo laphana ke kuthiwa ke baqinisekisiwe ukuthi ke cha izihlobo zabo lezo ama-patients and they are very safe and that the situation is under control. So the incident has been reported laphana ke to the South African Police Service who are currently on site laphana ke baqhubeka nophenyo yabona investigation. The matter will be investigated continuously to determine the full circumstances surrounding the incident. So department yakwa health yakhona la KwaZulu-Natal is committed to ensure safety ke ngaso sonke isikhathi ngani kwethu and ukuphatheka nje kwabantu ke bonkana ne-staff sakhona ke ey'bhedlela ke nje ngokwehluka kwazo. So ama-update ke kuthiwa azoloke enikezelwa ngisho ukuthi nathi ke soloke sibeke iy'ndlebe ke kuma-radio stations kuphi nakuphi la kulula khona ukuthi ke kufinyeleleke khona ke ukuthola ke izindaba ke ezithinta lona udaba lolu ke esingalo namhlanje. Kodwa ngale kwalokho bafethu ongakwenza nje ukukhomenta la ngezansi ukuthi usizwa kanjani ngalolu daba and also like this video.